Hi, this is silentsolution. Today we will see how to RedHat Linux download and installation our KVM on Ubuntu. Let's go first of all when we are Google find Red Hat download. Let's time as a download center. Click and here is just download. But you have to must be have an account. How to account create? Have a my channel or at exam preparation playlist. You can go. This is silent solution. Here we can visit. We have playlist. Here is Reddit RSC exam preparation. You can see and how to download and installation rated ego video, but a new release have that's why you have to again installation this let's go. First of all we are go to our KVM and get new version. Just we are forward and where search browser is location RedHat9. We're just select RedHat9 and press. Let's go forward. It's enough for our lab purpose. Let's go and finish. We're waiting some time. I hit press. This is already processing here. Just we select and interface and next step here. Just the next we'll wait for some time. I think it's coming very soon. Yeah, we'll select our language, continue. You can select your language. I can select my language. It is done. Root password. Here just give a username and my partition disk selected, but you have again selected. Yeah, selected is done. Just where our workstation and where all security tools given and down for beginning installation. We will need to wait some time. I think you have almost our final step. Just to defend of your PC configuration because this is a very uh, now reboot our system. Let's go. Just we need to waiting. Almost reboot is done. Wow, it's coming now. Now our password given here. Just fantastic. We already installation and also network is calm. Thanks for awesome.